Hey Siri, I want to buy some Bitcoin. I want to set an order to buy 1 Bitcoin at the current market price. Okay, maybe it's not that easy. I'm gonna need some help. Oh, hey sir, wait, aren't you that Bitcoin guy?
Oh yeah, you mean @realjohndoe.eth? Yeah, that's me. And I heard you over here talking to your phone, trying to buy some crypto.
Yeah, I did. I was trying, but it's not working.
Okay, don't worry. I got you. I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, so trading crypto on your phone, it might sound scary or it might sound very convenient to some people. We do have apps for everything nowadays. Yes, even crypto trading, which is a good way to learn how to trade crypto and as well to get you started from the very beginning. And there are some pros and cons to it though. So if that's something you want to learn about, then welcome to the video. My name is John here @realjohndoe, your host on Currency.com's channel. Today, I'm going to give you guys an introduction on trading crypto from your phone. Where's my phone? Trading crypto from your phone, the pros and cons. And we're also going to have a look at the fresh new Currency.com trading app. And since everyone's on the go, majority of people are not using computers so much for consuming content or trading crypto stocks or making investments. Especially with the crypto markets open 24/7, that means you're not always available to a computer to buy or trade crypto, which is a good thing why we have platforms like Currency.com, where there are mobile apps for trading crypto, where you just simply download the app, you log in your account, or you sign up to buy and trade cryptos. You either long or short, use leverage. All of that is right at your fingertips, making crypto trading from your phone convenient and available around the clock 24/7, as long as you have an internet connection. But now, some of you may think it's not the best approach, and some of you may think, wow, this is great. I don't have to sit at the computer for hours and hours, just pull up my phone, buy or sell some crypto. You can go in and out of a trade or buy or sell right there at your fingertips. But let me give you the pros and cons of trading crypto from your phone. So first, we're going to have a look at the pros. The first thing, it's easy to place orders just like that within seconds. Buy and you're done, or sell and you're done. You also get live market data and your portfolio, view your balance all in real time right there. Another thing, you get instant notifications of price changes. So you can even set notifications by a minute, 5 minutes, and it all just comes right in your phone in your pocket, ding, just like that. You can see the market changing. And also, it's less time sitting, meaning if you are watching a movie or whatever you're doing, you don't need to be at the computer. You can continue living your life, doing whatever you do day to day, and it's not really an inconvenience. Another thing we have as a pro is user-friendly apps. So like I mentioned, and I will be showing you later on in this video, the Currency.com platform, it has an app. It is very easy to use. It is probably the easiest I've used, and I've used so much crypto trading apps and stock trading apps. And I would say the Currency.com app is in my top 2, I would say, for the easiest user-friendly apps. Super easy to buy and sell. So that's another pro. Another pro for crypto trading on your phone is low fees. Since there are so many apps to do so many things and there's so much people available, a lot of these platforms now are able to offer 0 to low fees. And that is because people are trading more frequently. There is more liquidity, so fees can be reduced since they are getting more and more trades. Next, we have copy trading. You can easily copy your favorite traders or investors based on their social media posts within a snap of a finger. As soon as they post or in a trade, you can go open up your favorite trading app and just like that, enter a trade and copy trade. Next thing we have is quick trades. And this goes along with the majority of the things I already mentioned. It's quickly to enter a trade when you're trading from your phone. Let's say you get that alert, Bitcoin reached $40,000 and that's where you want it to buy. As soon as you see that alert, you switch over to your favorite app or the Currency.com trading app. You go to Bitcoin, put how much you want to buy, and just like that, you buy some Bitcoin. Seems easy, does it? Well, there are also some cons. So the downside, number one, we have over trading. This can happen even without using your mobile device, but I would say it's even much easier with your cell phone because you can go in and out of trades just like that, which goes on with our next thing, and that is quick reactions. That means any news that happens, you can quickly react to the market, and usually that is not the best thing to do. And that goes with the next con is emotions. Since you do have trading right there at your fingerprints, it is easier to trade using your emotions rather than just staying with the fundamentals and thinking with normal basic logic on how the price is moving. The next thing we have here is lost or stolen phone. Let's say your phone is lost or your phone is stolen. Something happens with prices. Then if you might mainly trade from your cell phone, then you can't really do anything about it until you log into your computer or get a new phone, do your 2FA, all that stuff, and then finally get back into your account. So that's one downside. So you always have to have a backup plan for that to happen, because that can happen to anyone. Next thing we have is a smaller picture. Since you're trading on such a small screen, you are mainly focused on the smaller picture of price action moves. And sometimes that can make you stay a little bit disconnected with what's actually happening in the markets. The next con we have is connection. This is critical. This is what you need to trade crypto from your phone. Is you need a mobile connection to the internet, data, Wi-Fi, whatever you have. As long as you have a secure and fast connection to your trading platform, then you can trade crypto from your phone. But if you do have a weak connection, then that will cause you issues ongoing, and that is errors logging in, errors submitting your orders, and so on. So now that I've listed all the pros and cons, I'm going to jump right into the Currency.com app, show you guys and demonstrate exactly how it works, the advantages, the disadvantages, and just how easy it is to place your trade or buy some crypto right on your phone. So first things first, there are many crypto trading apps out there, and here is the Currency.com app. You can download it in the App Store or in the Google Play Store. So once you have it downloaded, you will be at this front page here where you have the option to try demo, sign up, or log in. Depending on your situation, you will click one of these. And since I already have an account to show you guys, I'm just gonna tap on log in, put my email and password, and then log in. If you are enjoying the Currency.com app, make sure you do leave a review on the Play Store or the App Store. Now right here, I'm logged into my Currency.com account on the app, and I have my options down here for leverage, portfolio, search, and account. These are the cryptos that are listed on the platform. There are many more to come. And just for this demo account, these are the ones available. And up here, we also have recently traded, new, top risers, top fallers, most volatile, cryptos, currencies, commodities, oil markets, shares, indices, and ETFs. So much to trade here on Currency.com. Now, I just switched to a live account here in the account settings, and now things do look a little bit different on the app. And you can view your balances here. You can either deposit Bitcoin as collateral, US dollar. You also have the option for Ethereum, the Euro, and more. Now, let me quickly show you just how easy it is to buy some Bitcoin here on the app. So, for example, I click buy. I put the amount that I'm looking to buy, the amount of leverage from 2x all the way to 100x. Or I could also buy at a certain price as well. Set my stop loss. You could put it at a price level or at a distance, or sell if it's a certain amount. And then you can set your take profit as well, just like that. And once you have confirmed everything, you then just click buy. And just like that, you bought some crypto. We even got a little congrats here on our first trade here on this demo account. Now, once you've bought or longed some crypto or Bitcoin or whatever it was you purchased, you head to portfolio, and just like that, you can go to trades and view your trades right here. And it is possible to look at the chart as well on the mobile app. You just click on the instrument that you are looking to trade. You load up the chart, and this is the more zoomed out version. You have the option to go all the way up to the 6-month chart. But right now I'm looking here at the daily for Bitcoin. It also reviews your position, the time of the market hours, and the max leverage, the funding rates, latest news, and information about the crypto that you're trading. And if you want a more zoomed in chart, you just click right here. It'll go more full screen where you can add indicators for trading, all the standard ones that are available on majority of charting softwares. Let me quickly show you. Let's add the RSI to this chart. Stochastic RSI. It says it was added, and let's head back and look at that right there. It is added right for Bitcoin on the Currency.com mobile app. So a lot of features are available on here. It's almost just like using a computer, but like I mentioned in the cons, it is a smaller screen, so it's harder to look at the bigger picture. You can set alerts as well. Just click right up here at this little bell, set a price alert, let's say for when Bitcoin hits 48,000. So I put 48,000 on the buy side. and then you click set alert. Price alert created. Now when Bitcoin does hit 48,000, it will alert me, notification to my phone saying that Bitcoin is now $48,000. And I wasn't lying when I said this Currency.com platform is a very clean UI to use. Anybody can use this. It's nice and simple. Texts are nice and easy to read and understand. And just like that, you can easily learn how to buy crypto or trade crypto on your phone. But I know I didn't cover everything in this video, so make sure if you did enjoy, you are subscribed to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button as well, and I'll see you again next time, giving you more and more content to help you out with your crypto trading. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.